Welcome to Learn English Fast podcast.
Your channel to speak English confidently and improve every day.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Fast podcast.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
Today, we will talk about ordering food, breakfast routines, and drinks during the day.
That sounds very useful for beginners.
Yes, if you are learning English, these conversations will help you practice speaking naturally.
Great. I'm ready to start.
First, we will practice how to order food at home and in a cafe.
And then we will talk about daily routines like breakfast and drinks.
Exactly. By the end of this video, you will be able to ask for food, talk about your meals, and enjoy simple conversations.
That's perfect. I love practicing this every day.
So let's begin with breakfast conversations.
I'm ready.
Do you usually eat breakfast at home or at a cafe?
I usually eat at home, but sometimes I go to a cafe.
What do you usually order at a cafe?
I usually order a coffee and a croissant.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, it is very tasty.
Do you like to eat slowly or quickly?
I like to eat slowly and enjoy the food.
Eating slowly is better.
Yes, it helps digestion.
After breakfast, what do you usually do?
I usually go to work or start my studies.
And do you drink coffee again during the day?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you usually eat lunch at home or at a restaurant?
I usually eat at home, but sometimes I go to a restaurant.
What do you like to order at a restaurant?
I usually order a sandwich or a salad.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Do you like to eat with friends or alone?
I like to eat with friends.
Eating with friends is more fun.
Yes, we talk and laugh a lot.
What do you usually drink with lunch?
I usually drink water, sometimes juice.
Do you like coffee after lunch?
Sometimes, yes.
How about snacks? Do you eat snacks in the afternoon?
Yes, I like fruits or a small sandwich.
That's a good idea. Healthy snacks are important.
Yes, it helps me stay active.
And what about tea? Do you drink tea in the afternoon?
Yes, I sometimes drink tea with a little sugar.
Tea is very relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
Great! Today we practice lunch, snacks, drinks, and simple conversations for daily life.
Yes, keep practicing these conversations every day.
Thank you for listening to Learn English Fast podcast.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.